Your website's URL is more than just a link. It's a ranking factor in SEO. In this video, we will discuss the ideal URL length, why shorter URLs perform better, and how to structure them for maximum SEO benefit. A short and descriptive URL is easier for users to read, share, and remember. It also makes it easier for search engines to understand your page content. Long, complicated URLs can harm both SEO and user experience. Most SEO experts recommend keeping your URL under 60 characters. Google can index longer URLs, but shorter URLs are easier to process, display better in search results, and reduce truncation. For example, for short, example.com/SEO-tips. For long, example.com/025/how-to-your-SEO-tips-and-strategies. The first is cleaner and easier to remember and better for SEO. Place your target keyword in the URL. This helps Google understand your topic and can slightly improve rankings. But avoid stuffing multiple keywords. It can look spammy. Remove filler words like and, the, of, unless they are essential for clarity. This keeps URL short and focused. Avoid deep folder structures. Instead of multiple subfolders, keep URLs as close to the domain as possible. In mobile search results, long URLs get cut off. Short URLs ensure your entire link is visible to users, increasing click-through rates. If you shorten an existing long URL, always use a 301 redirect to maintain SEO value and avoid broken links. SEO best practices for URL length are: keep URLs short, under 60 characters. Use primary keywords, avoid filler words, use hyphens, not underscores. A short, keyword-rich URL improves SEO, boost click-through rates, and enhance your user experience. Always prioritize simplicity and clarity. Now that you know the ideal URL length for SEO, check your site's URL and optimize them. For more SEO tips, like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.